Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Without education, your children can never really meet the challenge they will face. So it is very important to give children education and explain that they should play a role for their country. I was called a terrorist yesterday, but when I came out of jail, many people embraced me, including my enemies, and that is what I normally tell other people who say those who are struggling for liberation in their country are terrorists. The education I received was a British education, in which British ideas, British culture, British institutions were automatically assumed to be superior. There was no such thing as African culture. I will not leave South Africa, nor will I surrender. Only through hardship, sacrifice, and militant action can freedom be won. The struggle is my life. I will continue fighting for freedom until the end of my days. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. No country can really develop unless its citizens are educated. There are times when a leader must move out ahead of the flock, go off in a new direction, confident that he is leading his people the right way. There are so many men and women who hold no distinctive positions, but whose contribution towards the development of society has been enormous. If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy. Then he becomes your partner. It is better to lead from behind and to put others in front, especially when you celebrate victory when nice things occur. You take the front line when there is danger. Then people will appreciate your leadership. Only free men can negotiate. A prisoner cannot enter into contracts. I have retired, but if there is anything that would kill me, it is to wake up in the morning not knowing what to do. Even if you have a terminal disease, you don't have to sit down and mope. Enjoy life and challenge the illness that you have. Everyone can rise above your circumstances and achieve if they are dedicated to and passionate about what they do. I have never cared very much for personal prizes. A person does not become a freedom fighter in the hope of winning awards.